So I went ahead and covered all the bases in the post that I made in the step steel thread. So what we're going to do now is we're going to actually sharpen it and see what's doing with it. As I stated, it's really similar to Nanoglide in the fact that it isn't, it's kind of purple in some areas, but the thing is it doesn't really have the scratch resistance that Nanoglide had whenever we used it with the film that they provided. So it's not exactly the same product. However, like I said, I do believe, and I haven't sharpened with it yet, I do believe that it is a superior product to Black Edge, just due to the fact that it's using better steel than Black Edge is, and the polishing factor also takes into play here. So I'm gonna go ahead and fire up the machine, doing flat bottom V9550, and this is unground factory edge, so it's going to take a few passes to get rid of that to establish a hollow, and then go from there. So we're going to go ahead and fire up the machine. First pass. Good. It seems to sharpen just like any other steel, for the most part. Not seeing anything special in terms of anything different, spark displacement. I still haven't gotten to the edge here, so a few more passes. I'm going to pull it off, check and see if it's square, then continue.